Hey there, welcome. Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever spent hours trying to create the perfect video, only to end up frustrated with clunky tools, limited effects, or something that just doesn't pop? You're not alone. In this video, I'm going to reveal a tool that claims to turn your ideas, yes, just your ideas, into cinematic 8K quality content using nothing but AI. Sounds too good to be true? Well, we're about to find out. By the end of this video, you'll know who this tool is really for, where it shines, where it falls short, and most importantly, 5 powerful bonuses you'll get 100% free if you decide to grab this through my link below. So stay with me because I've got some demo clips, insider insights, and honest pros and cons coming your way. Let's jump in. Quick overview. What is AI VID Forest? AI VID Forest is being called the world's first fully AI-powered app that can take any idea, voice input, or prompt, and turn it into a breathtaking multi-sense 8K video. It's not just about visuals. It's about creating cinematic scenes, AI actors, voiceovers, and even viral-ready thumbnails, all without filming anything. Let's break down the biggest features. AI Ads Maker quickly generates scroll-stopping ads for Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and more. AI Cinematic Video Creation build Hollywood-style scenes with AI-generated actors, effects, and scripts. No camera needed. Global translation and dubbing reach international audiences with auto-dubbed voiceovers in 50+ languages. Thumbnails and Titles Generator. It even creates click-worthy thumbnails and viral headlines, tailored to your niche. Pros. What's great? Time-saving Hollywood-quality scenes, global reach, versatility. It covers ads, explainer videos. Cons. Where it falls short, of course, no tool is perfect. Here are a couple of downsides. 1. Customization limits. While AI does most of the work, you lose some control over the finer creative details. Learning curve. The dashboard is packed with features. New users might feel overwhelmed at first, but honestly, these aren't deal breakers, especially considering what it does for the price. Ratings and final verdict after hands-on testing. Here's how I rate AI VID Forest. AI automation. 4. 5 out of 5 pricing. 4 out of 5 value for money. 4 out of 5 ease of use. 4 out of 5 final verdict. If you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone who wants studio quality videos fast, AI VID Forest is worth every penny, especially at the current $16 offer. But before you go grab it, bonus time. If you decide to buy AI VID Forest through my link below, I'll send you 5 exclusive bonuses, all free. 1. 100+ free templates for editing your videos faster. 2. Viral video scripts to help you hook your audience from the first second. 3. AI Video Creation Blueprint, a guide for automating your content strategy. 4. AI Automation Ebook, smart workflows to save hours every week. 5. AI Cartoon and Animation Bundle, bonus assets for fun. Visual storytelling. Just message me with your receipt after purchase, and I'll send them right over. Demo preview. Now let's check out a quick demo of what this tool can create. Watch these clips and imagine what you could make. That's it, friends. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more AI tools and bonus drops, and drop a comment if you still have questions. I read and reply to everyone. And don't forget, those 5 bonuses are waiting for you if you grab AI VID Forest through my link below. See you in the next one.